I'm Mike Ruttlidge. I'm a CIO for a top bank here in the US. We're tremendously focused on our cloud journey, but we don't just want to lift and shift and put the same legacy environments into the cloud. Basically what we want to do is automate. All the provision is being automated, but also the resiliency is being automated in the cloud. So it's really how can we make sure that we're moving into a better place. Basically, higher availability, higher resiliency, faster time to market. So one thing that RapDev have helped us with is thinking through the time it takes to get through that DevSecOps pipeline. So we've been able to reduce it from days to hours. So basically, we've been able to reduce the time that engineers take to release code into the production environment by a significant amount of time, which is really obviously a significant productivity benefit for our engineers. We've really been able to deploy a shift left strategy where we're finding now much more defects early on in the development lifecycle. And that makes a big difference to your production success as well, and making sure that we implement error-free code. Datadog has really become the sort of critical piece of our monitoring and alerting strategy. So, we've really deployed it on all of our key tier 1 applications. Plus, it was really the first provider that really provided very detail level cloud monitoring and reporting, which is very important as we move, the bulk of our workloads into the cloud. We've really been leveraging it across the company, is really in our cloud environment. We have a hybrid cloud strategy, so we're implementing in both AWS and Azure. Datadog, of course, can go over both of those environments. It's agnostic, so it gives us that single pane of glass. That's where I think RapDev have helped us really think through some of those solutions in terms of making sure that we have one unified dashboard, thinking through from a performance perspective in terms of logging, how can we reduce the number of logs that we use so we're not overkill and not paying for a lot of storage that we don't use. So they've helped us with some of the demand management exercises, which is really important for us because we are looking at ways that we can reduce our expenses as everybody is. We use Datadog as part of our APM and network monitoring strategy. So, and RapDev have been instrumental helping us think through how we could reduce the number of tools that we have in our environment. So move things to Datadog and eliminate, we have a multitude of different application performance monitoring tools, APM tools, a multitude of network monitoring tools. With ServiceNow, it all goes back to making it easy for our customers to do business with us, and then how do we integrate everything once again in the cloud environment. So, we're running on Red Hat OpenShift. That's our development environment, our platform as a service environment. So that's where all the engineers do all their day-to-day work. And RapDev have helped us connect that environment into ServiceNow so that when people request certain types of services, they only have one portal to go through, and they can go through that portal and they can get those services. So once again, making it easier for engineers to get their work done, speed up time to market. And then secondly, with ServiceNow, from a customer perspective, we use it for all of our alerting of incidents, help desk monitoring, etc., etc. So it plays a big part in our overall sort of ITIL landscape. ServiceNow was a game changer in terms of our asset inventory. So, when you think of, we had 34% of our assets discoverable prior to implementing ServiceNow. Now we're at something like 99% of our assets can be discovered by ServiceNow. So our ServiceNow catalog is so much more robust. We're able to basically, from a single pane of glass, provision cloud services that can be automated and delivered in a touch of a button to an engineer that would before take weeks or months to deliver. RapDev are great partners. They're really a strategic partner for us. I think that the people they bring to the table are exceptional and are really talented, but really listen to their customers. And they don't come in with preconceived ideas. They really bring hands-on, roll your sleeves up doers to the table, and they're very flexible when it comes to really thinking through what the right solution is as opposed to the most expeditious solution. The ideas that the RapDev engineers brought to the table were terrific, and I think in partnership with my team we've been able to leapfrog in some areas that we wouldn't have been able to do because we were going down a certain path. So they brought ideas to the table that I think will really help us transform the technology that we're building.